Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how I create this style of modern flat abstract flowers perfect for selling on Creative Fabrica, Adobe Stock or Etsy. I start by sketching the design in Adobe Photoshop. You can use any drawing software you prefer, or even just sketch on paper. For this project, I want everything to fit neatly inside the square, so I select the rectangle tool, hold shift to draw perfect squares, and make 4 squares, one for each flower. Next, using the brush tool, I draw some guidelines inside the squares. These lines help me plan where to place the flower petals and leaves. For the first 2 squares, I keep it simple and fill the entire space with petal shapes. You can draw your petals in any style. Just try to fill the square for a bold, abstract look. Repeat this process for all the squares, adding flowers and leaves in your own unique way. Once your sketch is ready, save it as a PNG file. Now let's move over to Adobe Illustrator to turn the sketch into a vector. Create a new document and go to File, Place to import your PNG sketch. Click and drag to place it on the canvas. Then double-click the layer and check Template. This will lock the layer and reduce the opacity to 50%, so it's easier to trace over. Create a new layer on top for coloring and grab the blob brush tool. This tool is great because it creates filled vector shapes, unlike the regular brush tool, which only makes the strokes. You can adjust the brush size using the bracket keys and tweak the smoothness by double-clicking the blob brush icon. I usually set mine to the middle for a slightly hand-drawn feel. Now just start coloring in the flowers and leaves using your mouse or drawing tablet. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to export it. Open the Asset Export panel and export your artwork in PNG, SVG, or any format you prefer. And that's it. That's how you can make beautiful, flat, abstract flowers in Adobe Illustrator. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss upcoming videos. I'll be sharing more creative tips, tools, and design ideas to help you grow your creative side hustle. Thanks so much for watching.